Should I have surgery to take care of my vertigo? Today I'm going to look to answer that question for you. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I help people to remove the blockages in their health so they can live amazing, fantastic lives. Now, specifically today I want to talk with you about a microvascular decompression. So this is a surgery where they wind up slicing an artery that runs right by the vestibular nerve. Now, some of the theories on this is that the artery can wind up irritating the vestibular nerve. Now, I've got to tell you, this is a really risky idea and a challenging thing to wind up, first of all, assessing to know, is this what's causing the problem? And then secondarily, if we're doing a surgery, it's something that can't be undone. So if this is not the cause of it, you're left now without any connections to the vestibular center within your ear. So if you haven't been able to tell from what I'm saying here, is that I don't think that this is the best idea. I think that you've got to turn over every stone in looking to understand the four components of what's going on. For most people, when they're looking to manage their vertigo, we strictly look at the ear and how the ear winds up relating to balance, but we wind up missing so much of what could be causing the problem. We wind up missing looking at the eyes. We miss looking at the jaw, and we miss looking at the cervical spine. When we don't address these other three areas and we just look to address the components of the ear, we can wind up missing the cause of the problem and wind up having failures in outcome, aka you're still stuck with the vertigo or dizziness. So if you're thinking that surgery may be the option, this one I don't think is the right way to go. If you've got other questions about it, I'm going to provide a link down below for you to hop on a discovery call with me so we can dig into your case, understand what's gone on, and work with you to figure out what your next best step is so you don't have to live with vertigo or dizziness anymore. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.